Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are making a beanie for those of you that want to make money during this season, Christmas season, winter season. This is one of the things you can make and sell. So let's get started. Make a chain long enough to cover the circumference of your head. So after you have achieved your length, you're going to skip the first one and the second one, yarn over into the third, make a half double crochet, yarn over into the next, make another half double crochet. So basically you're going to make half double crochet throughout the chain. Half double crochet. For half double crochet you yarn over and yarn over through all at once. Half double crochet, yarn over, pull through all, yarn over, pull through all. So when you reach this stage, I have 6 chains left. I'm not doing a half double crochet. I'm going to continue with a single crochet into the rest of that chain. That's 1, chain 1. That is our first row done. Half double crochet and the last 6 are single crochet. Chain 1, turn your work, continue. The first 6 stitches are going to be single crochet, back loop only. You can use a stick marker to mark this point. If you're not sure, you can get your stitch marker and put here. So from this point we are going to continue with our half double crochet in the back loop only. Continue with half double crochet into the back loop only. So basically this is what you're going to follow until when you have your beanie big enough to fit your head. So I have my beanie the size that I wanted. Hope you can see clearly. Our next step is to join this here. We're going to cut the yarn, leave a strand long enough to sew this part here and this part here. Pull over to fasten it. Get your needle. So we are going to be doing single crochet to this point, from here to here. So we are done with this part, and we are going to join this other part using our needle. Let's put together this part. So you're going to pull tight. Don't forget, we are doing this all from the wrong side of the beanie. After pulling it tight, you're going to fasten it. Make sure it's tight. So that's us done. You're going to flip it over to the right side. And yes, you have your beanie. We are not putting a pom-pom to this one because it's for male. So we are leaving it like this. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.